What's going on, YouTube? It's Blood, Sweat, and Gears 87. Today is Thanksgiving, and we're gonna try to do a little cooking video real quick. What I have here is a wild turkey that I actually harvested earlier this year in Allendale, South Carolina, and we're gonna try to deep fry them. I've never deep fried a turkey by myself, so this is gonna be real interesting. But you guys see it. It looks pretty good. I killed this turkey and cleaned it myself, plucked the whole bird. I actually have a video on YouTube of that. I'll put a little clip of that video in here just to insert it so you guys can see. But try to keep all the parts to it. And right now it has seasoning on it. I think it's I'll look and see exactly what the name of it is and insert it in here. But it's some kind of Creole seasoning that's on the outside of the bird. And it's actually injected on the inside as well. So it's probably gonna be pretty good. But I'm about to go outside and get the oil heating up and get a few other little things ready so we can get ready to drop this bad boy in the grease. Let's get it going. All right, got the oil heating up. Still got a long ways to go. Probably gonna have to turn the heat up on it. But here's the turkey again. We got it about ready to drop in there. Just waiting for this oil to heat up. We're gonna wait till it gets between 325 and 350. Then we'll drop it in there. All right, here we go. Try to drop it in. Slow. All right, we got the turkey out the grease now. It cooked for about an hour, and we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes before we cut it to let the juices redistribute. That side looks kind of burnt up, but I think once we cut it open, the meat's probably gonna be good and white on the inside. Hoping anyway. All right, now that we got it cut open a little bit, you can see the meat on the inside. It looks great. I thought it was gonna be kind of burned because of the outside, but nah, it's all good. We're gonna finish carving it up a little bit more, and then I'll do another little video so you guys can see. But it's looking amazing right now.